Welcome to Rouhani Voice, where health meets healing and wellness blends with spiritual wisdom. Discover life-changing tips and soulful insights only here. Hey there, the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze, the soothing sound of waves lapping at the shore, the majestic sight of mountains reaching towards the sky. For millennia, our planet has nurtured and sustained us, providing everything we need to thrive. And the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, all gifts from the natural world. Nature has been our constant companion, a silent guardian watching over humanity's journey through time. It has weathered storms, adapted to changes, and continued to flourish despite adversity. With unwavering resilience, the Earth has supported countless generations, asking for little in return. But what did we give in return? Smoke, poison, and destruction. As our societies advanced and industries grew, we lost sight of our connection to the natural world. Took without consideration, consumed without restraint. Towering smokestacks belched pollution into once pristine skies. Toxic chemicals seeped into rivers and oceans teeming with life. Ancient forests fell to the insatiable appetite of progress. We treated our planet as an endless resource to be exploited, rather than a delicate ecosystem to be cherished. The very air became thick with smog in our cities. Landfills overflowed with mountains of waste. Species vanished at an alarming rate, their habitats destroyed by human activity. Our actions spoke louder than words. They declared that short-term gain was more valuable than long-term sustainability. That convenience mattered more than conservation. Profit was worth any price paid by the environment. And now, nature is replying. The consequences of our choices are becoming impossible to ignore. Storms grow more intense, droughts more severe. Wildfires rage with unprecedented fury. Glaciers melt, sea levels rise. The climate shifts in ways that threaten food security and displace vulnerable communities. Nature's reply comes not from a place of vengeance, but as the inevitable result of disrupted balance. It is the planet struggling to right itself in the face of unprecedented change. The Earth that has given us so much is now showing signs of distress that can no longer be dismissed. Extreme weather events once considered rare now occur with alarming frequency. Biodiversity loss accelerates, weakening the intricate web of life that sustains us all. The very stability of our ecosystems hangs in the balance, but hope still lives. Every act of care counts. In the face of these challenges, people around the world are waking up to the urgent need for change. Communities are coming together to plant trees, clean beaches, and protect endangered species. Innovators are developing sustainable technologies to reduce our environmental impact. Individuals are making conscious choices in their daily lives, reducing waste, conserving energy, choosing eco-friendly products. Each small action ripples outward, inspiring others and contributing to a larger movement of environmental stewardship. Governments and businesses are beginning to prioritize sustainability, recognizing that our future prosperity depends on a healthy planet. Renewable energy sources are gaining ground. Conservation efforts are expanding. There's a growing understanding that economic growth and environmental protection can and must go hand in hand. These positive changes, while still not enough, show that humanity has the capacity to learn and adapt. That we can rekindle our connection to nature and work in harmony with the earth rather than against it, because what we give to nature will definitely come back to us. This fundamental truth has never changed, even if we sometimes lost sight of it. When we nurture the environment, it nurtures us in return. Clean air, clean water, fertile soil, these are the foundations of our well-being and survival. By protecting biodiversity, we safeguard the countless benefits nature provides, from medicines derived from plants to the pollination services of insects. When we preserve forests, we're not just saving trees. We're maintaining crucial carbon sinks that help regulate our climate. Our fate is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. The choices we make today will shape the world we inhabit tomorrow. By giving respect, care, and protection to nature, we're ultimately ensuring a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Save nature, save yourself. This isn't just a catchy slogan. It's a vital truth we must embrace. Protecting the environment isn't some abstract concept separate from our daily lives. It's about preserving the very systems that keep us alive and allow human civilization to flourish. When we save nature, we're saving the intricate ecological processes that purify our water, generate oxygen, and regulate our climate. We're protecting the biodiversity that strengthens our food systems and provides resilience against disease. We're maintaining the beauty and wonder of the natural world that nourishes our spirits and inspires our creativity. By taking action to reduce pollution, combat climate change, and preserve habitats, we're not just helping plants and animals, we're securing a livable planet for ourselves. We're ensuring that future generations will have clean air to breathe, safe water to drink, and a stable climate to support agriculture and human settlements. Take care of nature. It's not too late. While the challenges we face are daunting, there is still time to change course. Nature has shown remarkable resilience, and many ecosystems can recover if given the chance. Every positive action, no matter how small, contributes to the healing of our planet. Plant a tree, reduce your plastic use, support conservation efforts, speak up for environmental protections. Teach children to value and respect the natural world. There are countless ways to make a difference. The path forward requires a shift in how we view our relationship with nature, not as something separate from us to be conquered or exploited, but as the living system we are part of and depend upon. It calls for innovation, cooperation, and a shared commitment to sustainability. As we take steps to care for nature, we'll discover that we're also caring for ourselves. A healthier planet means healthier, more resilient communities. It means a more stable climate and secure food and water supplies. It means preserving the awe-inspiring beauty and diversity of life that makes our world so extraordinary. The choice is ours. With every decision, every action, we have the power to shape a better future. For nature, for ourselves, for all life on Earth. Let us choose wisely, act boldly, and work together to restore balance and harmony with the natural world that sustains us all.